That's what you do. Kim Kardashian and Floyd Mayweather sued over alleged crypto scam. I saw Floyd Mayweather's name trending, and I was wondering what that was about. The celebrities promoted Ethereum Max before its value fell by 98. More of this is going to go on. There's so much money at stake. We were talking about the other day. You're seeing crypto stuff pop up in music videos and mainstream people getting associated with it. I'm not saying, this was a very specific case, but it's just going more and more mainstream. And more and more celebrities are being approached for projects, and they may not know the whole story about them. They may step on some landmines, get paid a boatload of money in the meantime, and then come to find out that the whole thing is rough. But anyway, so what do you have here? What are you showing me?
Well, yeah, what they're promoting is called Ethereum Max. And I was just looking through like what it is, and this seems to be like the definition of it, which a lot of people don't even know what it is.
Let's see. It's difficult to tell from Ethereum Max website exactly what it does. The site promises it will provide access to VIP experiences, including sporting events and concerts. It also says Ethereum Max holders will receive a 2% yield on every transaction. Ethereum Max wants to be a culture token that will bridge the gap between the emergence of community tokens and the well-known foundational coins of crypto. Management team is unclear. Launched in May of 2021. Market cap, $281 million, roughly. That was in June of 2021. You cannot buy EMAX on any major U.S. cryptocurrency exchange, but it is available on some of the decentralized exchanges, not to be confused with Ethereum. And then below that, it's the different celebrities that promoted it. Kim Kardashian Instagram post said, "Are you guys into crypto? This is not financial advice, but sharing what my friends just told me about the Ethereum Max token. Hashtag EMAX, hashtag disrupt history." Oh man. So they would have paid her in that case, between $300,000 and $500,000. At least that's the speculation based on what she would typically get paid for that.
And do you remember Floyd Mayweather's latest boxing match?
Yeah,
he was promoting it.
He had on the trunks.
Yeah,
I remember seeing it on the shorts and just not even thinking about it. I just assumed it was some fringe crypto. It appears to be some fringe crypto, but you have to wonder if you can't get it on any of the major exchanges.
Yeah.
Okay, go to the website just real quick while we're here. Ethereum Max. Are they still doing it? Like, is it still there? Oh, it is. Yeah, it's .org. It's the next one down because that's an ad you're getting at the top. There you go. So there's still a website, and you got to buy it right on their website.
Sure, yeah.
Yikes. Okay, I don't know. That's the thing right now. 2022, I don't know, man.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's so much of it. Well, anyway, okay, so what is the issue for them? They just disclosure? Let's see. Class action lawsuit is named Kim Kardashian, Floyd Mayweather, and Paul Pierce as defendants for promoting cryptocurrency called Ethereum Max. Plaintiffs sued the celebrities and unidentified entities behind the tokens. They could sell their portion of the float for a profit. The lawsuit lists anybody who invested in the token between May 14 and June 27 as a defendant. Wow. Anybody who invested in it. The coin rose 362% in value after Mayweather and Pierce promoted it. And when he had it on his shorts in that big match. Interesting. Celebrities have been promoting cryptocurrency tokens for a while now and even creating their own. Sure. I don't know. I don't know exactly what the lawsuit is going to say in it. The token's value plummeted. Well, yeah, of course. The coin's creators allegedly sold off their shares before the price drop. So it's your good old pump and dump scenario.
Yeah.
I guess people want their losses back because they say it's a scam. Can you give us a value? Can we see the drop? Can you give us a chart on it?
Yeah. I feel like it's not very accurate here.
Oh.
Price, I guess.
Why is it not accurate? What's your oh yeah.
It just looks kind of strange. Like it's not like
that's 1 day. You got to go to like 3 months. Yeah, look where it was. That's a plummet.
Yeah. It wasn't like a complete drop as what other people say.
Well, it was a complete climb though.
It's definitely in a
like look at how steep the climb was after the promos.
Yeah.
It went way up, boom, sell a little more, move on. I don't know. Listen, I don't know. I'm not making any claims about anything, but it's a whole new situation out there as far as the way you got to be looking at this stuff and the skepticism that you have to bring to it. Mm-hmm. And yeah, just be careful out there. That's all I got to say on that. It's a lot of moves taking place that you might not be aware of all the moves that are taking place behind the scenes. So just have your head screwed on as much as possible.
Yeah, just be careful, guys.
Yeah.